We designed the tailgate topside panels to be easily removable, giving easy access to the tailgate hydraulic valves. We offer a large variety of lighting packages for the II-III, as well as light guards, which prevent tree limbs from damaging the lights themselves. We place our tailgate, packer, winch, and reeving cylinder controls in positions that are easily and ergonomically accessible by the operator. We also use a steel protective guard over the controls. Safety and ease of use are our top priorities. Note that we've mounted the tailgate cylinders on the side of the tailgate where the cylinder rods are protected from debris when the tailgate is open. The II-III comes standard with a manual tailgate latch for opening the tailgate. We also offer an auto latch system that can be operated from inside the cab. Note that the tailgate seal is mounted on the tailgate and not on the body. This helps prevent seal damage, and the seal itself is easily replaceable by sliding the old one off and the new one on.